Ask him if he wants a treat. Then he'll listen to you. Ask him.
Toby, would you like a treat?
All right, now say, sit, please.
I don't want to give Mom a treat.
You don't want to give him a treat?
Sit.
Do you have to pee?
No.
Okay.
Sit, Toby. Sit, Toby.
Toby, sit.
Toby, sit. Toby, sit.
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 Say, good boy.
Good boy.
All right, you want to have him shake?
Yeah.
All right. Put your hand out.
No, lay down.
Tell him again.
Lay down.
Toby, lay down.
He lay down.
Well,
Roll over.
he already knows what we're going to make him do, huh? Say, Toby, we didn't tell you to roll over yet.
No.
No.
I can do it again. Toby, sit. Toby, sit. Toby, sit. Toby, no. I'm listening.
No, Toby.
I want you to cloud me up. I want you to cloud me up.
To what you up?
I want to cloud me up.
You want me to recline you?
Yeah.
Okay. What do you say?
Yes, please. Good.
You gotta lean back. Push it, lean it back. Ugh. So we know. Look at you! Are you all reclined?
I want Toby to do a trick.
What trick?
Roll over game.
How about a different one?
A roll over game.
The rollover game?
Yeah. Toby,
Alright, we'll get him to do it.
Toby, sit down. Toby, sit down.
Sit.
Sit.
Sit, Toby.
Sit.
Good boy.
Roll over, Toby.
Tell him again.
Roll over, Toby.
Roll over. Toby, roll over. Oh, he only can roll over one way, remember. He doesn't. The couch is in the way. Say, come here.
Come here.
Alright, sit. Sit. Good boy. Alright, now tell him.
Toby, roll over, Toby. Toby, roll over.
Roll over. Say, good boy!
And I give him a treat.
You want to give him a treat?